my god, oh 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 my god. First and foremost, I just have to thank you guys because we are at 10 motherfucking K. 10K, it's lit, it's lit, it's lit, lit. Gang, 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 whole lot of gang shit. No, seriously, thank you guys so much for 10K. Giveaway coming soon. Next post, stay tuned. Thank you guys so much. I cannot believe I'm at 10,000 subscribers. It feels so good. Like, oh my god, oh my goodness. Thank you guys. I'm so excited. This has been a journey, and I'm just so like, YouTube, I feel like I don't know, YouTube has taught me so much, and I'm just looking forward to continuing growing with my channel and with you all. Thank you guys that have been supporting me since like when I first started doing this. Thank you guys. It means the world to me to have like your guys' support. So yes, thank you guys so much for 10K, for watching my videos, liking, giving me your feedback, support, commenting, sharing, everything. I appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you guys. Today we are doing another hack. Yes, another one. I seen a video of somebody using coconut oil and crayons as lipstick. So we're gonna test that out. I got some glitter crayons, and I also got just regular crayons because we're gonna try both. And also I seen something else where they put color pencils in water and used it as eyeliner. I'm actually excited to test this out again because it's like, it's so cool like to see this stuff, because it's like, bruh, is this really gonna work, you know? And so trying it out, it's like you literally don't know. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this video, just keep watching. Make sure you're following me on Snapchat and Instagram, Jamie with 8 eyes and the E. On Instagram, you guys will see a lot more makeup tutorials. I go live a lot on Instagram, so you can see different looks that I do. Excuse me, I always have so much indigestion, I don't know why. But on there you guys can see more makeup looks that I do on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. And I always give out tips and just doing fun makeup related shit. So yeah, if you guys want to see if this works or not, if this is a hack or if it's whack, just keep watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, so first I'm taking this and we have our coconut oil, just this organic coconut oil. And I will take a spoonful of it. I want to take enough just because I'm going to be trying different colors. Hopefully that's not too much. That shouldn't be. So yeah, now we're gonna go melt this down. Now you guys can see coconut oil is all melted down. I got this little tray. Here's the crayons that we have. You see we got some glitter ones and these. So basically what I'm gonna do, because like I said, I wanted to try multiple colors, is, let's see, I feel like we gotta do red. So I'm gonna just break a little bit of the red off. Yeah. And then let's just test it out here. Like, I don't know if it's just gonna start to melt or what. Hopefully I didn't put too much. Now, from the glitter ones, hold on, one thing at a time. Let's just see if it's melting. Alright, it's not melting, so I would assume it's not hot enough. Can you put plastic in the microwave? Alright, we're going to try something else. So I'm going to just break the colors off that I'm going to use. This whole thing in the microwave. Hopefully this is microwave safe. I don't know if that's a good idea, but I'm gonna just watch it and we'll see. Okay, so now you guys can see that it's actually melted down. So now I'm gonna mix it. Oh snap. These things are very, very, very small, so it's like you have to be, and I like put too much. Ooh, the glitter looks pretty. Okay, I'm actually excited. Alright, so I don't think this black one is gonna let me be great. Let's see. I didn't clean it off all the way. Ugh, don't be like me, guys. Make sure you clean it off all the way. So while we let that melt down a little bit, we will move on to the second part of the tutorial. And it's gonna be, we're gonna be using these color pencils, and I'm gonna put them in water for 1 minute, and that's supposed to change the consistency of it so we can use it as lip liner. Well, this is spilling everywhere. That's cool. Okay. And we're gonna just stick the color pencils in there, and we'll leave that in there for like a minute. So now we're about to see if it's gonna work. I'm getting any extra stuff off my lips. And I'm going to start off with a dark color on the outer. Okay, that's still like hella coconut oil, so we're not going to use that. That one didn't work. Well, not that it didn't work, but it's hella coconut oil. Like, I feel like I didn't use the right amount of parts. Let's try the purple. Okay, yeah. See the purple one? Right now this is just looking like a sheer gloss. We don't have much pigmentation, just a whole bunch of coconut oil right now. Yeah, this just looks like hella coconut oil. That one is not working either. Let's see, what's another color I can try? Here, I'm gonna try the again, it just looks hella like a sheer ass. You see, like, it's just super sheer. I don't know, guys. This might not be a hack. Yeah, like you see, like it's just hella sheer. Like, it looks like lip gloss. And like, of course you can see the black, but there's like no pigment. I mean, I guess if you want colored gloss, then yeah, but I like that this is not making my lips dry. That's cool. All right, let's try the red one, because the red one I actually used a lot of crayon in that one. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. Wow. Okay, y'all. Y'all. All right. I'm not mad at the red. I look like somebody grandma. I feel like red lips, like red glossy lipstick is the worst like thing ever you could do. Like, it literally gets no worse than this. Okay. My nose is probably hella nasty, y'all. But if you guys see it, I look like a clown, but that's not the point right now. Wait, hold on. This one has the most, this probably has the most pigmentation, because in this one I use the most crayon. Like I actually use a decent amount of the crayon. So I feel like you have to probably use a lot of crayon, like 1/3, 1/4 of the crayon, and then like a little bit of coconut oil, like a quarter size, no, less than a quarter, like a nickel size amount of coconut oil. So you have to have the right parts. Because you see this, like I said, this is when I use the most coconut oil. And then the color, you guys can see the color, like there's actually color there. Like I said, I look like a clown. I would never wear a glossy red lip, but this one does have the most color because I did use the most crayon in this one. Did I try the green? I don't think I tried the green. So yeah, the red works. That's pretty cool. It's still very sheer, and I don't think it would dry down just because it's coconut oil, and coconut oil is hella oily. So that's my only concern, is if like it would dry down. But we're gonna try the pink. Yeah, this is the pink, and this is just looking like a gloss. So again, we got a gloss on our hands. So the red works. All the other colors were just super sheer, super like, I don't know. So now I'm gonna take this black out of my waterline. Okay, so look at this is how they look right now. I can already tell that it's gonna go on my eye. I see the vision. So I'm gonna use this green color. Is this safe, y'all? Don't try this at home. Alright, so as you guys see, you can see the color, but it's like breaking up in my eye. Oh no. Yeah, like if you guys see how it looks in my eye, like it's like breaking up, and it's like not, that is not it. Don't try that at home. I repeat, do not put color pencil in your eyes. I repeat, do not put color pencil in your eyeball. Do not try it. I'm telling you guys, don't do it. Definitely not a hack. Definitely whack. That was horrible, okay? Like, it's like, maybe if I wouldn't have left it in there so long, but maybe I left it in the water too long, so then it got too soggy, so it literally just like crumbled in my eye. Like, that was not smart at all. But in the lips, as you guys see, just like some glossy ass, it's like some sheer ass lip gloss. Like, that's it. The red, as you guys see, I'm like a clown, but that was the most pigmented one. But besides that, thumbs down. That was definitely a whack. That was not a hack. Whack, whack, whack. I do not recommend doing that. No. Yes, it was fun to try. But just no. And again, don't put color pencils in your eye. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what else you guys would like to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Again, don't try this at home. Nah, bruh. Nah, don't do it. Just no.